Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. This video I will share with you Remini App Alternative because most of the recent updates of Remini is not good and all of the features removed. So I think I have need to found the Remini App Alternative and this is one of the best. I am already created video in this app as a Remini App Alternative, but on that time this app is not good as at the moment. So as you can see here, a lot of features available here, but I am talking about the enhance feature, which is the most useful in this app in my opinion. As you can see here, what type of photos are okay and what type of not accepted in this app. So I'm selected this image and you can see here three different type of options available: basic, portrait and super. Super is the most useful and prominent, but I am selected portrait because there is no object other than portrait in my image, so you have need to select according to your image. By the way, if you enjoying this video, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notifications, and make sure you also follow me on social media handles to get updates. So you can see it's processing completed and you can see here it's before and after, and its resolution doubles and much clear. So you have still customize options available. In customize you can see denoise, structure, sharpness and different type of tools available, clarity as well as ambience and contrast. So you have still an option to enhance your image according to your preference. This one is the best feature in my opinion. After saving the image, you have some templates for video. You can save your image as a video in these templates. If you have any question regarding this app, so please let me know in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, so please consider to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notifications. See you soon in next video.